Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing a quick kitchen clean and you guys can watch me. I know this is pretty slow and it's like just normal cleaning. I mean, it's like every day. So my mom has actually been moving into her apartment lately. Let me get on my knees. And so we're going to be taking some stuff to her. And I've got some bags of clothes and some stuff washing now. She's actually got a bed already there and some snacks, and we're going to be taking her some more food and stuff. I can't really wink, but and I've also going to be bringing her some chocolate because everybody needs chocolate, right? Duh. And so I'm just going to get into this video. So gonna get into the video. Oh, that didn't work, and my hair is stuck to a plant. Alright. Oh no, and now my phone is coming apart. Ow. Phone let go of my hair. Okay, bye guys. Okay, let's get started. Okay. Oh gosh, guys, holy crap. Okay, so I'm gonna first start over here. So let's just turn it. Oh no. You fell. So I'm going to be working over here right now. So can you see me? Can you see me? Can you see me? Guys, look at this bag. He's so cute. He's a kitty on it. Oh, he's so cute. And I've got two kitties up here. And it's my kitty purse. So put it away. Now. Baby food challenge. Worst day of my life, I tell you. Okay, I don't know why, guys. There's like a big bowl of rice. I think Macy put her foot in the rice when it fell and got wet. What the heck? So now there's just like a big rice right here. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. I think we gotta play in that. Ooh, it feels like, ew. Oh, it feels like kind of good on your fingernails. I'm not kidding. I know this kind of sounds weird, but it feels weird on your fingertips. Okay, so I've got 4 minutes and 28 seconds and 10 minutes and 42 seconds to film. This is what I was just thinking about. I wish I would, like, I think it was on my old tablet. If you guys actually think I'm crying, no. But yeah, you go. Gotcha. Okay, so me and my friend made this video, and we were in play dresses, and I fell, and it was so funny. I stepped on the dress and it ripped all the way, and like the whole table fell over. It was just so funny. I can't get over that. It's been a long back though. That was the good like table. The very, very good days. You know, these cans stay. You guys can't see me. Okay, let me turn it back this way. You plug it long in. Sorry about that. Okay, focused. Good. Oh my gosh, guys. I don't know if there's like something in my eye or what. Oh my gosh, is there? Well, anyways, whatever it is, it keeps. Ow! Either there's like saliva or something in my eye. Ow! Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, I really don't know, but there's like, I don't know what that is. My eye, but oh gosh, it hurts. Let's go get the cups and plates away. Guys, wanna watch? I've been eating Skittles. Let me turn you the other way, that way you don't see my ugly face. This cup must leave, and this cup must leave. I only like to keep the like glass cups in here. Okay, this is Elsa and Anna. Oh crap. Okay, there's Elsa. Elsa. Okay, Snoopy's. Is the other Hello Kitty cup over here? No, is it still in the fridge with that nasty grease in it? Why? Oh well. Why? Oh well. I guess this cup can stay. Oh, that has my emoji cup in it. Of course it can stay. Oh crap. Oh, I thought you guys got cut off for a minute there. 8 minutes and 37 seconds. Dadgummit. I'm not done dreaming yet. Okay. Okay guys, I'm gonna get into this video because it's almost off, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's not much, but I felt like filming, so bye guys. Mwah.